Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the default browser on your VIVO V40 phone. So the first thing you're going to do is open up settings and then click on the search button and just type in default browser. There you go. So the default browser option should be available to you. So once you click that, you can select the default browser that you want. Depends on the ones that you have installed on your phone. I have installed only Chrome, so I can't really change anything. But if you have other default browsers installed, you can change them. And once you've done that, it should configure automatically, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.